Okay, Kevin, this is the Pulp Fluidizer we have in stock. I thought rather than a bunch of pictures, I could do this video and then post it for you. But first I'll just do a general walk around. I think, by the way, on the drawing, it ends here. So I think all of the stand and the little sump, the sump says something on it. Oh, that doesn't tell us much. Although it may indicate where this was being used, perhaps somewhere in California. Don't know what this is, why it was there. Same thing with these brackets, something added by the customer presumably. There's a door here that would not be made out of plywood under normal circumstances. You'll just have to trust me on that one. But for the purposes, I asked the shop to have this ready for testing Friday, so that's the scenario why this temporary fix, if you can call it that. This is the side. The bearings, my guess is you would need these bearings covered. I don't know if they're intended to run in the open, but frankly I don't see anything that where a cover would bolt, to, unless it was supposed to bolt there, but nothing on the bottom. My guess is it was just probably run exposed, but that's an easy fix. This is one of the covers here for, not sure which one's the belts, but it's pretty tight fitting cover. You probably know more about it than I do after studying the drawing. But good tight fitting cover. Don't see how there could be any issue with safety there. Motor here. You know, there's probably no reason the motor, well, you don't want to enclose the motor, I guess, for cooling purposes. And you're saying that for production you might want that as a stainless steel motor. What I'll do is I'll just get a quote for this machine as it sits. You know, and then we'll deal with any changes like that. This guard should be tight fitting if it's on there properly and in good condition. But again, it would be difficult to get your hand in there, put it somewhere where it shouldn't be. One thing I can tell you though about Vincent equipment is you're not going to find interlocks. You know, there is no control panel or anything like that with the equipment, so you're not going to find that there's an interlock where if the panel's off, then it won't run. That's something that we just don't end up doing, and we probably wouldn't do a very good job if we did, or if we tried to do it on a one-off basis, to be honest with you. I think this area could be covered, perhaps in here, leaving the motor exposed, so the motor can breathe, but then any rotating stuff here would be covered. And then here's the inlet door, the product inlet door.
Video of it running?
Not yet, but that's a good idea. And there's the drums, the double drum arrangement on the inside. Actually, Bill just offered to start it for me, so let's let him do that. I don't even know how loud it is, but let's let him do that, and then I'll walk around it running and show you the drums again. Oh, that's a good idea. The plywood cover has been removed. And then in here, it looks like there's a spray ball there, I guess, for helping the, so you're looking now at the inside of the catch basin. And the spray ball, I suppose, to help clean off the drums and perhaps wash stuff out as it, after it's pulped. All right, you want to start it up? Well, thankfully it's not too noisy. Yeah, that's, it may certainly change volume when something goes in it. Yeah, no question this area would need to be covered. This feed chute is flanged, as you can see. It goes down to the inside. I don't know if it'll focus. If I can get this to focus, you'll see that this inlet, the side of the inlet goes down to the inside of the kind of the hopper of the unit. So it should keep everything on the inside. It isn't pretty right now, but needless to say, we could make it look new again. And it is all 304 stainless, so it should do okay. But you know, that part, there's a lot of things that maybe we can help out with after you see the video and have a little more detail here. So anyway, hope it's helpful.